First, open the Little Bird mobile app on your mobile device and browse to the community icon in the navigation bar. Tap the discussion board panel. Now you can scroll through your property's discussion posts. You'll see that posts are listed in chronological order. And notice that the top of each discussion post panel indicates the post's category. Below the post's category, you'll see a short description and the post's writer. You can tap on a discussion post panel to view the full post and details. If you feel that a post includes inappropriate content, tap the More Options icon in the top right corner. You can then tap Flag Post or Block User. Flagging a post sends an alert to your community's management, while blocking a user prevents you from seeing future posts from that user. Lastly, tap the back icon in the top left corner of a discussion post's description to return to the discussion post list. To sort discussion posts by category, head to the discussion board panel and tap on the All Posts drop-down menu. This menu allows you to sort posts according to their category. Now you can scroll through the category options under the All Posts menu and tap Choose to select the category of discussion posts you would like to see. General posts include any general information your fellow residents want to share. For sale posts feature items up for sale in your community. Event posts highlight resident organized activities. And lastly, recommendation posts include resident recommendation insights and questions. Whether you're planning an event, selling an item, needing a recommendation, or simply wanting to share information, posting on your community's discussion board will let you connect to your whole community. While in the discussion board panel, tap on the Add Post button. Now choose a post category. If you want to make a general post, tap the General Post icon. If you would like to post about an item you're selling, tap the For Sale icon. If you want to post about an event you're organizing, tap the Event icon. And lastly, if you want to make a post about a recommendation, tap the Recommendation icon. Now, enter your post information. Type a title for your post in the headline text box. This will appear on the Posts panel in the discussion post list. Include your entire post in the body text box. If you write a general post, you can include a URL to another site in the link text box. If you choose to write a for sale post, you can select the free toggle or enter the price of your item in the price text box. If you're writing an event post, you can select the time frame of your event with the start time and end time menus. You can also include a location or URL to another site in the location and link text boxes. If you choose to write a recommendation post, you can choose between asking for a recommendation and recommending a product or service with the Type menu. When you're happy with your post, press Submit. You'll know your post has been sent to the management team for review when you see the Pending Approval message. Simply click the OK button to return to the discussion board. If you need to delete your post for any reason, please contact your community manager. If you would like to respond to a discussion post left by someone in your community, you can leave a comment. While in the Discussion Board tab, scroll through your community's discussion posts and tap the Discussion Post panel you would like to comment on. Then tap on the Add Comment option. Now you can enter your comment in the comment text box that appears. Lastly, just tap Reply to submit your comment.